Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect VPN on macOS Sonoma with ExpressVPN, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect to a VPN on macOS Sonoma using ExpressVPN, begin by downloading the ExpressVPN application. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official ExpressVPN website. Click on the Get ExpressVPN button to start the download process. Select the macOS version to download the application suitable for your device. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to open the installation package. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the ExpressVPN application on your Mac. Once the installation is complete, open the ExpressVPN app from your Applications folder. You will be prompted to sign in to your account. Enter your credentials to log in. After signing in, you'll see the main dashboard of the ExpressVPN application. To connect to a VPN server, click on the large power button in the middle of the screen. You can choose a server location by clicking on the location drop-down menu. Select a preferred server from the list or search for a specific location. Once you have chosen your server, click the power button again to establish the connection. Wait for a few moments until you see the indicator change to show that you are connected. Your VPN connection is now active, and you can start browsing securely. To disconnect from the VPN, simply click the power button again in the app. You can also explore additional settings by clicking on the menu options for customizing your experience. For enhanced security, consider enabling features like the kill switch or split tunneling. Remember to connect to the VPN each time you start your computer for optimal privacy and security. Your connection is now protected, and you can enjoy secure browsing on macOS Sonoma with ExpressVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.